座はここまでです。
プロテイン。
また来週もいい汗かきましょ
う。プロテイン。
でも
プロテイン。
わかりました。続けてみます。私怖いの。ここにいたらいつか私たちも。怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い怖い
レッツゴー。
ハイタくんどうしたの？
レッツゴー。お前ボ
怖い怖い
ディービルでも
怖い怖い。明日も頑張れさ。
I just want to say, just because Haida is a hyena, you shouldn't underestimate the guy. Hell, real-world hyenas compete/fight with lions. Effing lions. And the spotted like Haida are more hunters rather than scavengers. Oh sure, they fight dirty, but that just means they fight smart. Also, male hyenas may not be dominant, but hyenas are known for their endurance. He's in it for the long run. Get rejected? Try again. Lastly, I really hope Haida gets to know Ritsuko in Season 3, instead of this crush thing. Real-world hyenas endure a hazing, so what's the worst thing that might happen to Haida? Ritsuko bites his head off? She's not Ozzy Osbourne!